Want your video to get the attention they deserve? Tagging is the ultimate shortcut. Reach more people, get more engagement, and turn your post into a conversation within a few steps. But first, make sure to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to tag someone in an Instagram video. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a post. Pick a video from your gallery and tap next. Add a filter or make edits if you want. When you are happy with how it looks, tap the next again. Tap tag people on the screen. Search for the person by their Instagram username and select them. Finally, you can click share to post a video or tap the save draft option to save it for later. So this is how to tag someone in an Instagram video. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.